of how truly amazing and intelligent these birds are.
Kaya mo pa, no?
Hala, nandito na. Bird showing.
Let us all start the show by welcoming our flag raising bird, Bandit. Bandit is a beauty wing of home.
Here's the
Bandit is
bird.
covered with mostly red color. Their wing and tail feathers are green green. This performance are white.
Look at the bird, Gab. That.
He can live from 50 to 75 years old. Okay, there you go. Our show has officially started. How about a round of applause for Bandit?
Kadali.
Hello everyone! Maayong hapon, kanakang tanan. I am Pirate Jen, your host for today. Now guys, here is an object which I will hide under one of these three silver cups. So, where do you want me to put this object? On your left, right, or in the middle? Which side? Alright, middle. So, let's put it right here. And now let's cover psychic bird, Goldie. Now Goldie is our blue and gold macaw. Now guys, do you think Goldie has the ability to find the hidden object? If you believe in Goldie, let me hear it cheer. You can do it, Goldie!
You can do it, God.
Alright, so Goldie, find the hidden object for us. And she found it!
Wow.
Goldie with Pirate Jeanette.
Brighta. Napigan mo pa bird.
Now, our next featured birds are just like any married couples. Monogamous, meaning they'll be perfect for a lifetime. Pretty romantic, isn't it? But as any couples will attest in a relationship, there will always be battles. So let's meet Blue and once again Goldie, our beautiful pair of blue and gold macaw. And today, they will battle it out who's the best in the basketball game. But before we start this battle, I'll be dividing you guys into two groups. Now all girls will cheer for Goldie. Come on girls, Goldie, Goldie.
Goldie! Goldie!
Wow. And for the boys, will cheer for Blue. Say go Blue, go Blue. Alright. So Pirate and Pirate Jeanette, are we ready?
Lalaki yun.
Alright, set, go! Okay, here comes Blue with his first ball. Oh my, Goldie.
Ay,
Second ball from
Goldie!
Blue. Second ball from Goldie for the last. You win! Goes fine.
We lost Goldie.
Pirate Jeanette and Goldie, you guys lose this game. What can you say?
I think we deserve another ring.
Ooh, another race, Pirate Ed.
Are you sure about that? Do you want Goldie to lose again?
Uh-oh.
Well, Pirate Ed, I guarantee you this time, Goldie will surely win.
Wow, palaban.
So what race do you have in mind?
Yeah, what race, by the way?
How about we do the ring race?
Ring race. What is a ring race?
The first bird who gets the 3 rings into the pole, the
A ring race. Alright, then a ring race it shall be.
Inalan mga English.
Now remember, boys got already 1 point, so girls, let us cheer louder for Goldie to win this time. And we'll be doing this again with the ring race. So Pirates, are you ready for the second round? Are you guys ready? Alright, set, go! Okay, here comes Blue wins first ring. Good. Okay, what is this? Goldie picks up the 3 rings at the same time! How clever is that? And the winner is
Goldie!
Goldie! What a technique! 3 rings at the same time, Pirate Ed. What can you say?
What was that? You guys cheated!
Oh, did you cheat, guys?
No.
Oh, we didn't cheat. Goldie used her brain.
Ah, so is it true that girls are more intelligent than the boys?
Yeah.
Of course! A round of applause for Blue and Goldie!
Ala.
Okay, this time I need an adult volunteer with a 500 peso bill. Anyone? Adult volunteer with a 500 peso bill. I'm sorry, kids, I need an adult volunteer. Yes, sir, the one wearing the cap, please. Please come and join me here in the front and bring your money as well. Alright, careful. Hello, sir. Hi, good afternoon. What's your name, please?
My name is Sean.
Sean, let's give a round of applause for volunteer Sean. Alright, sir. So I need you to face me first. Extend your left arm like this. Thank you. May I have your money? Alright. Thank you. Now insert your money. Taas sir, right? Ato makuha kamay. And I'll insert your money between your fingers. Alright. Now sir, do you have any idea what will happen next?
Give me a bird. Take the 500 bill.
Well, you will see. So now let's call on our money bird, Blue. Now Blue, ladies and gentlemen, can detect the money if it's fake or not. Let's go, Blue. Blue flies over, gets the money.
Alam mo yan.
Blue flies back and I guess Blue will make the money.
Ora gidang.
Give a round of applause for our donor. All right, sir. Before you go back to the seat, I have a question for you. Did you know that Cebu Ocean Park is also a rescue center for wildlife animals? Well, that's good that you know, and your money will go a long, long way, and we're very grateful for that. Thank you so much, sir. You wanna go back to your seat? Enjoy the rest of the show.
Ah!
Goodbye, 500.
Woo! No more money.
Alright, how about another volunteer with the 1,000 peso bill this time?
Wala na!
Anyone?
Wala!
Come on, donation for the animals.
Ha?
No more? Oh boy. Excuse me, sir? Are you okay? Are you sure? But your eyes look so sad. Well, you know what, sir? Please come back here. We'll return your money. That was just part of the show. Yay! And before we return your money, Blue wants to have a photo with you for souvenir. Alright. Same way, please.
Ikaw yan. 1,000 yan. Dek. Di ba? 1,000.
So you just need to stand right next to Pirate Ed, and he will assist you. Here, sir. All right. All right, look to the camera and give us your best pose and smile together with Blue. All right, there we go. Thank you, Blue. Here's your phone now. All right, and here's your money. Once again, let's give a round of applause for volunteer and Blue. May bayan, sir. Oy, nabalik ang 500.
Wala ibang kaon.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we would like to show you Orchid's amazing flying ability. Once again, Blue going to Pirate Ed. And may just request everyone to just remain in your seats. Ready your cameras as Blue will fly above your heads. There you go, look at that fly. Well, Blue and Gold Macaw has a beautiful shade of blue on their back and a solid shade of yellow on their bellies and inner wings.
Wow!
Their beak and eyes are solid black. Now going this way.
Aray na, Gab.
Ali, Gab, look at Gab.
Gab.
Look at the bird. Well past your ano.
Ayan lang ikapang bird ha.
Gab.
They usually feed on seeds, nuts, salts, and minerals along the river banks.
Lowo, gikabot.
Yawa, pag-train.
And there you have it. Once again, our money bird, Blue.
Yay!
Hindi, kung isulot pa dito, nawahi ka kung tayo araw-araw.
Oh, bitaw. Magnganga na ta. Napa may dan chair ba? Nagkalakang-lakang.
Now guys, who loves math? Everyone here knows addition, right? Well, this next part of the show will be
Kanduman
most
man na din, no?
people and amazed. Even us,
Oh, there is an
trainers.
hosted,
Well, do you think birds can do math? But before we call our mathematical wizard, I'll be asking two numbers from you between 1 to 50. First number, please. For the first number, heard 10. Second number, please. 7? Okay,
Yeah.
7.
Kuan ni kay.
All right.
Oh, ato na ta later. Hindi oy nay man lingkod oh.
Okay. So, our equation
Move
is
here, attorney.
10 plus 7. And we all know the answer, right? But, kids, we must not say it yet. Let's see if our mathematical wizard can solve the equation. But before that, let me just shuffle the numbers.
Dugo na po nanod. Maya. Oh, yung mga Maya ya. Show sa sila. Wala sila, ikaw muna sad. Kuya kayo, balik kabot ang bird dito sa iyahang amo.
Alright, so now let's cover our mathematical wizard, Snow.
Wow!
Wow, I
Wow.
know. Well, Snow is our Moluccan cockatoo. Scientific name is Kakatua molucensis. Now, Snow, our equation is 10 plus 7. So, Myra Jeanette, is Snow ready? All right, go, Snow. Kindly solve the equation for us. All right, now Snow gets 1. Now off to the Go, Snow. And he gets 7!
Bright.
7 plus 7 is equals to 17. How about a round of applause for Sparkle Wizards? No!
Bright ang Gabriel. Bright Gabriel. Yay! Woo! Ang hotdog, bata. Kuya ko ang Gab.
Naga ko. Safe.
Shit.
Parents in particular are known to be intelligent and perceptive. That is why we continue to enhance their skills so that they won't get bored. Now here's Bandit once again, and he's going to show us how intelligent he is by putting all the shapes back to its correct slot. Let's go, Bandit. And just like Bandit, Greenwing Macaws from South America.
Wow.
Gentle giants.
Inanay mo, be.
Second largest, next to the hyacinth macaw. They can grow to 92 centimeters in length and can live up
Look
to
at the bird, though.
70 years old. And there you go! Intelligent, right? How about a round of applause for Greenwing Macaw? Bandit with Pirate M. Now for the last part of the show, I need another volunteer. How about a female volunteer this time? And don't worry, no more money involved. Wala na yung 500 or 1,000. Anyone wants to be E? Just raise your hand and I will choose. Okay, ganiya, dito ka part. How about this side? Female volunteer, please. Yes, ma'am. The one wearing with the yellow and green shirt.
Bago pa abot siya.
Yes, you, ma'am. You were raising your hand. Dili ka, ma'am? Okay, kanina lang naka-gray. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. This way, please.
Kaya sa na niya.
Alright, careful.
Ha?
Now, as you notice, most of the birds here in the show are parrots. It is because parrots are highly intelligent,
Sige,
colorful,
bago pa kailan naabot.
charismatic, and physically in kind. They have very good memory that they can remember even the smallest detail. This way, please. Hello, ma'am. Mayong hapon. What's your name, please? Gels. Give a round of applause for volunteer Gels.
Gel there.
Alright now, so at this point you're about to meet Iggy. Now do you have any idea what animal Iggy is? No idea. Well, I'll give you an idea. The next animal we're going to show you is our cutest, loveliest, most gorgeous animal here in Cebu Ocean Park. Alright now, ready ma'am?
Yes.
I want energy. Are you now ready?
Yes.
Alright, so now let's call in Iggy! And there is Iggy! Our green iguana!
Ay, iguana.
Gorgeous though. Now, native to Latin Brazil and Paraguay, green iguana are one of the largest lizards among their species. Now, Iggy wants to have a photo with you for a souvenir. Alright. Now look to the camera and give us your best pose and smile with Iggy. Alright, we good? Okay, thank you so much. Thank you, Iggy. There you go. Let's give a round of applause for brave volunteer and Iggy. Thank you so much, ma'am. You can go back to your seat and enjoy the rest of the show. Pacific Ocean Park, we believe there is hope. We only not try to take your friends to the ocean, but also the land and air as well. Now who knows the 3 R's of the proper waste disposal? It's the reduce, reuse, and recycle. Very good. Now here's our lovely birds once again as they're going to show us how to do the proper waste disposal. Well, sad to say a lot of animals are struggling their lives due to pollution and improper waste management. Remember that there's no huge amount of money or advanced technology to solve this global problem. So let us come together to help save this one of the greatest creation of God and gift of Mother Nature. See, if lovely birds can do it, so can we. Ladies and gentlemen, we hope all of you enjoyed our show. Are the animals spectacular? Well, we're always, no matter how small the effort, let's take action in saving them from extinction. Let us do our part in saving our world, because remember, this is the only home we got. So now that representing animals and pirates to make the show possible, we have Goldie with Pirate Jeanette. We also have Bandit with Pirate Ed. Bye!